Okay, lead us out, Amarok. Punch it. Full throttle. Let's go. Oh, and rotate. Gear up. Flaps up, throttling back a bit. So Amarok's in the lead Typhoon. He's leading us out. Try and stay tight on him, if you can stay close. So, Save the Humans is asking, will the Speed Flea be sold in the US? I do know that that is Lee's intention. He really does want to do that, but there is a bit of certification involved to be able to do that. He wanted to sell the first production run of it first to fund getting that done. So I've no doubt it's going to happen. It's going to be very successful because there's nothing better than it on the market.
I like the idea of the rocket mode, Dom. We've got to try that.
Oh, well, you are our pyrotechnic specialist in the for Essential RC. So yeah, and that last rocket that you did was fantastic. So we need to do that again.
Fun, wasn't it? I'm
sure we would get Horizon Hobby to send us something to mount on the rocket and put up to a couple of 1,000 feet.
What's your speed there, Amarok? He's going Mach.
He does that. He can't cruise, that kid.
He's got a lead hand.
As long as we vaguely know where he's going, I guess. Oh. Bearing around to the left.
Worth mentioning, anyone flying the MB, if the gun sight reticule is in your way, you can click it and it will disappear.
Just did that. Thank you, sir. I don't know why it didn't occur to me. It's getting a bit annoying. See if we can get tight on inertia.
Going on that quiet concentration again.
It's like nobody talks when we're doing a low flying. Oh, you're going through trees. Jesus.
They don't exist on my... again, my graphics aren't as high level.
Oh, okay. That's your excuse.
For me, this is a bare hill with some...
Oh, man.
You know,
we're going to have to start a GoFundMe to get you a decent graphics card. Oh, my word. A320, right over my head.
Oh, yeah.
Has he gone left?
He's gone left.
Fantastic. This is nice, tight flying. No. Amarok went straight on. Jake went left.
Right. Oh no, I just made it. It's all gone wrong.
What was Jake doing?
He's trying to fake his out.
He's going his own route. Pulling up over the top. Oh, what's he doing? That's all right if you're. Oh God, Jason just made it. That was like that scene out of that film. Where's he gone now? I've lost him.
I think he went into the hill.
He's the one leading us. He's supposed to know what he's doing.
He's behind you and to your left. He's just done a left turn, so if you roll left, you should see him.
Copy that. Got him. What's that Will Smith film?
That's the Independence Day.
There's
for
the
man.
one, that's
Yeah.
the one. You just pulled an Independence Day manoeuvre. I'm pretty impressed. Bye! Yeah, I know it's an old film, but it's one of the best, and you can. It's one of those films you can watch again and again.
It's also we're old people.
Yeah, that's it as well. Yeah. Matthew Boylan leading the way in his Air Berlin A320. Nice job. Oh, left or right? I don't know which way I'm going.
Roll it.
Left. Oh, straight on.
I wonder if an Airbus has ever actually done the Mach Loop. Paid to see that.
I mean, an Airbus A300M has.
Have it?
Yeah, there's photos of the 300s going through. I doubt we put Voyager through it.
Right. Speed brake back in. 150. Nice cruise in. Learjet going in a bit fast. Here we go. .140. Jimmy B just in front of me. Throttle back. Air brake out. And down. There we go, we got 3 MBs coming in. Radawikar C, Inertia, Jason down, then Druids. And is that Alan Paul 123 as well? And Jugfly from behind. Good. Like we're all down then. Okay, Jason. What's Jason Inertia? What's our next?
I believe it was TNCS runway 16.
Okay, everybody. So I'll put it in chat for your benefit. TNCS runway 16. See you there. Good trip that one. Thanks, Amarok.